Yeah guys, yabona kule game kukhathele ngisho uThobile. Lalela guyzini phela uThobile simazi understanding wife kodwa this season kushintshile. Now guys, it's Sanbanani and welcome back to the channel. We are yet again unpacking another episode of Uthando Nesithembu. Now guys, lalelani, listen, uThobile hayibandla akathukuthele. This comes of course after uMusa ezamile nkosi yami uku-introducer wife number 5 kwefamily yakwaDuma. Now we can all say that was a failed attempt, okay? It was a failed attempt. Now guys, into edina uThobile kakhulu lana ukuthi phela uMusa wayethembisile ukuthi angeke eze eyithathe intombi yasesigodini sakhabo Thobile. Guys, amadoda ayagilana shame. uMusa have publicly said it on national TV ukuthi uThobile uyamsupporta guysini. Guys, you all remember that scene uMusa ehambisa igusha khabo Thobile eyobonga ukuthi uThobile ungumfazi oright omsupportayo even financially. uMusa mangabe elekha lapho nalapho uThobile comes through for uMusa, you know, even financially. Hi guysini, but this time around uThobile yay ngithi ngimbone seqondisa ibuko guysini. Yabona umuntu meseqondisa ibuko usuke sethi lalela uzangitshela ucash wakho. Guys, uThobile akasayena lo mfazi esimaziyo olungile, othobekile, ongakhulumi, osupporta noma yini into esho umyeni wakhe. This time around baby girl said, I'm gonna be vocal. I am gonna be vocal and I'm gonna express my emotions. And ke guys, in lo Thobile lona uyasimangaza. This new Thobile, lalela, I am shook, okay? So ke guys, on the last episode where we left off Uthando Nesithembu, ziqhubekile ke indaba zaseMzumbe. Yay, indaba zaseMzumbe guysini. Ay. So ziqhubekile ke guysini indaba zaseMzumbe. With uMusa trying nkosi yami uku-introduce wife number 5. Now it was a failed attempt. Akakhonanga ke bandla uMusa Msoleko umthombeni uku-introduce wife number 5. Kukhostile ke lana ukuthi ihlwele noma abantu kade bezile bephume behambe beyobona wife number 5 ngaphandle kwegate. Of which it was very embarrassing, guys. Like, if bingo wife number 5, I was gonna be so embarrassed, okay? But ke guysini, finally abantu bahambile and then bese sekuseleke umndeni lana waka Mseleku with his wives. So it seems like after everything they had to ukuthi bebe ne-meeting, you know, just to touch base ukuthi uhambe kanjani umcimbi. Yay, ngithi uMakhumalo lalela, when I opened this review ngiqale ngayo uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo shame. uThobile, like this new Thobile, I like it. Like I love her. I'm in love with her. I'm in love with seeing the new Thobile who's vocal. uThobile ke lana uyasho ukuthi no, uyena uthe abantu abaphume behambe beye kuphi kaMacele ngoba vele kade befikile kuphi kaMacele. Uthi nje yey lalela, ngifuna vele ukulungisa ngiqondise kahle inkulumo, ngisho futhi ukuthi lento ade ngisho bengiyimina ukuthi abantu abahambe beye kaMacele ngoba vele bafikile kephi kaMacele. Yey ngithi uMacele guyzini wasala ethulile eshwebile kungekho into azoyisho. 2, nangu kumayeni uyabuza ke la uMusa ukuthi kahle Musa vele lo msebenzi ubuwenzeleni. No, uya explain ke la umthombeni ukuthi yey umsebenzi bengiwenzile. 1, bengifuna ukubonga ukuthi ngiyaphila. 2, bese ngifuna ukusala sengi-introduce number 5 ngoba vele number 5 usekhona, you know. Umayeni uyasho ukuthi no bekumele usitshele thina because sihlala la egcekeni. Hi guysini, ngithi while umayeni esathatha uMusa ngendaba yokuthi aba-informekanga kahle ngendaba yokuthi number 5 uyeza, nangu futhi uThobile. uThobile useza nesigaxa sikhulu, isigaxa sendaba. Uthi nje uThobile Thobile uthi guyzini kune voice notes la ekade circulate ke i-voice notes yokuthi uMacele umeme abantu besifazane. Kuthiwa initially indaba yomcimbi sakhulunywa before uMusa egule nanokugula kusakhuluma ngokuthi kuzoba nomcimbi. Abantu besifazane bebengaminywanga bekumenywe amadoda kuphela. But recently abantu besifazane basendelwa i-voice notes. Kwathiwa abeze emcimbini kuzobe kuthulwa uwife number 5. Guys, I think iyo into ecike abafazi bakaMusa la. Hayi bacikekile shame. Bacikekile guyzini ngithi uThobile hey hayibo guyzini uMatops this new Thobile uyangithusa guyzini yey makuthiwa saba umuntu othule saba umuntu othule kusho uThobile guyzini because all along Thobile weyithulele ihlekele isupportela indoda yakhe noma yini efuna indoda yakhe uThobile ukhona uzosupporta but manje this time around uthi nje no Ay ke guyzini niyazi ke phela ubabakhe sekuyamphoqa manje ukuthi abuze umama wakhe ukuthi ikhona le ndaba ye voice notes. Ay ngithi uMacele nje wavela wathi lalela akunandaba mina ye voice notes engizoyiphendula la ngiyengiphendule lutho nge voice notes ngoba sekucacile ukuthi kahle kahle akusuwena ongibuzayo ngale voice notes ngibuza uThobile so therefore ngithi mina njengoMacele angeke ngiphendule. Hayi washo waphuma ugirl wahamba. Hi guys, ngithi ke on tonight's episode sizobona la uMacele eyohlangana noMusa. uMacele uzoshoka ukuthi yena akafisi ukuze kufike lana ekumele akhumbuze khona abantu ukuthi bafika kanjani lapha ekhaya kaMseleku. Hi guys, kunini uMacele sisho le statement sakhe? At this point I feel like sekumele bakhumbuze vele ukuthi bafika kanjani. Get it over and done with because you cannot threaten people ukuthi benga express imizwa yabo just because vele baqoma indoda eshadile noma vele baganele isithenjini. At the end of the day indoda ethe iyasifuna isithembu. Angeke size sikwazi ukukunanaza lokho. At the end of the day le ndoda vele ethe iyasifuna isithembu. So angeke uMacele ephile as if uyaba blackmail manje abafazi babantu. Hey angifuni ukuze ngikhumbuza abantu ukuthi bafika kanjani lana isithenjini. No Macele imela eqinisweni. uMacele vele wrong guyzini ukuthi esupport wife number 5 not to say wrong but uMacele it seems like le ndaba yakhe yokusupport wife number 5 useyenzela to spite people. Akasemdala guyzini no guyzini yazini like ku important ukuthi sikhulene emhlabeni masingabantu you know because at this point you cannot Macele like you cannot be as if you want to spite someone you know because manje I understand guyzini ukuthi uMacele uyamsupport lokho kwangempela number 5 noma wenzela ukuthi espite umuntu nomani but nje uMacele uthi nje lalela even if abantu behlangana ngegama lami kodwa bona abahlangana ngegama lami abakhulumisani kwabona. I'm like hey bow guys ngisiyazi ke sonke ukuthi usho uMakhumalo noMayeni phela hey guys uMakhumalo benoMayeni hey bavele baba yikhombo strong bethi and I think one thing ekade bashokha le ndaba ukuthi phela uMayeni vele bengazi ngendaba ye voice notes and ubemangele shembandla ugirl ukuthi hayibo i voice notes nithini manje abafazi you know so indaba yokuthi bekune voice notes nani vele bimangaza bandla nkosami uMayeni. But then again the way uMayeni benoThobile bebebambe ngakhona imithi uMusa wazama nkosami ukuba intimidator ethi yawe naThobile it seems like uwena umuntu onenkinga kakhulu. Wathi uThobile no vele nginenkinga angikwazi phela mina ukuxoshwa ekhaya kuthiwa ngihambe kuthiwa ngephi. Yay guyzini. Now back on wife number 5. Yo guys, in wife number 5 when you know she's doing those facial expressions, rolling her eyes and all that. So I'm just like girl bye. So guys, number 5 nayo la uyacomplain guyzini yazi uMusa I think vele i-health yakhe sekubonakalile ukuthi health wise akekho right nkosi yami. Kodwa enye into ezombulala Nkosi yami yilento yakhe yokuthanda abafazi. Hayi indaba yakhe yokuthi uthanda abafazi, that will send him to his grave very early because hayi bomusa yeke isketi, hlukana nesiketi musa. So guys, wife number 5 nayo uyacomplaina la ukuthi manje ke le ndaba yokuthi mina ngiyafihlwa ayingeni lapha egcekeni kaMselekhu izoyenzakala kuse kube nini. Ngithi umusa wathi nje uma ukhuluma nami ungakhuluma isilungu. Ngathi hayibo. Njani ke ngoku wathi nje siqale lapho wathi thu sisazolihamba kahle indlela simanage indaba yokuthi abafazi babi abakabe comfortable nokuthi wena ungene ekhaya, of which is understandable until when my wives are okay and comfortable with you, therefore uzongena ke Mzumbi. Okwangoku la ngoxolo. So okwangoku ke bandla wife number 5 wethu akakhohlwe ukuthi uzongena eMzumbe, akuyona nje into esazoyenzeka anytime soon since uThobile uvele nje washaya phansi ngonyawo. And I think guys ukuba uThobile umsupportile umusa nomacelo wasupport umusa, uMayeni noMangwabe bebezoba weak. Okay, I think i-team kaMayeni noMangwabe because ibo boyithu kade bethi abamfuna wife number 5 noma bakafuna ukumbona. I think into eyenza ukuthi bebe ibe strong uThobile le wangena wajoina wathi yes ngiyanjoina nami wife number 5 angikho comfortable ukuthi engene la egcekeni, engangeni nje la egcekeni, nami nje I am team let's kumbaya. So yeah, izinto zika wife number 5 definitely zibe nzima zenziwa uThobile, and I love it for uMathabs. Because umusa guys akakwazi ngempela, akakwazi ukuthi efike ethembise uThobile ukuthi angeke zemthatha umfazi esigodini sakubo jikijiki useyamthatha. Nami nje I can feel disrespected kakhulu futhi eyibo i-disrespect enzima kabi yona leyo ukuthi manje usongijwayeza nezingane zangasesigodini sasekhaya. You understand? Anyway guys, wife number 5 nje I feel like kumele relax ugirl, phuza amanzi mama, phuza amanzi, relaxa, vele uzogana indoda endala ene-stress. Abafazi baba 4 awucabange nje na uzo-ede sakho 5 yonke ye-stress. Yey ngeke nje kusekulunge. Drink water mama, usuyozwa ngayo ke indoda yakhe mesithi i-ready. Emisithi ready. Lalela guys, ngithe wife number 5 waposta ke ku Instagram wakhe wathi nje yena nje trusting the process, wathi nje utrusta i-process ne-progress kuzogcina kufikekile la kumele kufike khona. Kodwa ukuthi kanjani okwamanje naye akakazi, kodwa nje one thing for sure ukuthi she believes on the process, ukuthi one day sizombona engena lapha emagcekeni akaMzumbe, kumnandi, kube kuhle, kusinwe, kube right. Kodwa kwangoku uMakhumalo, uMangwabe noMayeni bashaye phansi ngonyawo bathi soze. Bathi nje soze wife number 5 angene, hayi ngoku, hayi manje, not ever. So yeah guys, ke one thing also that I'm gonna tell you ukuthi kodwa ke umusa yize kunjalo abafazi bakhe sebeshaye phansi ngonyawo bathi abamfuna wife number 5, nangoku umusa simbonise ekhuluma noSneh. Nkosi yami, kwathiwa nje uSneh unikezwe ijuthi enkulu kabi, enkulu ijuthi kaSneh. Kuthiwa nje uSneh kumele hambe nabakhongi beyokhonga lapha uwife number 5. Meyokhongwa ke uwife number 5 uSneh uzobe semgqokisa ke phela uwife number 5 iphinifa bafowethu, iphinifa neduku. Kathayibo yaze enkulu emayijotheni uSneh. Yaze yankulu guys, uSneh uzokwazi yini? uSneh uzoyikhona yini Nkosi yami ijuthi engaka? Guys, honestly speaking, angazi, and it makes me wonder ukuthi yindaba uMthombeni ne-faith engaka kuSnake guyisini. He phela uSnake yazi guyisini ngingavuka edakiwe kuthiwa namhlanje ilanga lamalobolo. Kuthiwa yebo weSnake ukuphi? Kumele kuhanjwe phela manje ilanga lamalobolo. Akatholakala uSnake useklabhini. Ubeka isavana phezulu kwekhanda. Like ayibo Mthombeni yazi ya risk indaba yakho ubhalansa ngoSnake. Guys uSnake ngimthembi ngathiwa nje ngelanga lamalobolo sekuthiwa saveli ke manje sekuyolotshola uSnake akatholakala akekho uSnake Nkosi yami useklabhini isavana iphezulu kwekhanda. So nje ukuthemba uSnake it's a very risky decision, but anyway uSnake simbonile la ukuthi be excited usije yay ubaba ukuthi engiqoye engiappoint ethi mina wonke sinenhlanhla ngihambe ngiyomela lapha kakhwela ngifike futhi ngifaka umakhwela iphinifa engijabulise kabi leyo nto ngathi ayike sinemfazisa as long as happy nathi si happy kanye nawe ke mama. As long as kuwena udla happiness uthi nje happy ngokusuqokiwe wanikezwe responsibility. Guys, in such a huge responsibility. uSnake ngomgqibelo uzobe engaka kuyogroove uzobe ehambe namakhonki. He uSnake phela ngithi enganikezwa ngisho imali yephinifa vele iphuze. Being too hard on uSnake. Thasine thathayo manje imali ukuthi hamba uthenge iphinifa yokuthengela umakhwela. Hayi imali yephinifa iphelele kusavana. Anyway guys, the very sad scene between uAbobe noMthombeni. Guys, honestly speaking ngiyazi ukuthi singahlala ngento eziningi nani, but indaba yokuthi uMthombeni uyagula indaba nje personally mina engangiphathi kahle, like inhliziyo yami ibhlungu ngokuthi at the end of the day uMthombeni uyagula guys. I think sonke sibonile whilst they were filming ukuthi uMthombeni was hit by 2 strokes, okay, and even now whilst they are still filming we can also see ukuthi uMthombeni akekho right guys, like akekho right, like uyazifoster, you know, it's just one of those things ukuthi at the end of the day business must go on, you know, it's one of those, and it's not nice to see such a strong man like uMthombeni defeated, you get, and it's just not a nice thing ever. So for me, honestly speaking, you know, even now he's going out on a dinner date with uAbongwe. You know, uAbongwe has said this on previous season ukuthi yena benobabakhe they are actually very close, and I think one thing that we have seen on Uthando Nesithembu ukuthi uMthombeni is more closer noMpumelelo, but uAbongwe have said ukuthi nope, actually ubabakhe ucloser naye kakhulu more than uMpumelelo. So bahambile ke la baya ku dinner date. We understand indoda mingasakhona ukuyibamba wavela wahluleka nje uMthombeni ukuyibamba, wachazela uAbongwe lana ukuthi hey Abongwe ngiyagula, like ngiyagula futhi ngigula lokwenye impela guys, then inhliziyo yami just dropped, you know, and wavele kwehla inyembezi right there and then uyasho lana uMthombeni ukuthi no ngiyagula, and ngoba ngigula nje futhi ngiyashona, and ngiyazizwa mina self ukuthi no ngiyagula futhi ngiyashona. So guys, you know, mina those are things nje evele nje yangenza ngaba nje off a bit, you know, ngaba vele nga off leash a lot, futhi not even a bit, a lot. I was just off, you know, I was thrown off, you know. So guys, uMthombeni uyagula. I know ukuthi we are enjoying being entertained by his family. Hey, his family is entertaining, shame. Entertainment say enjoy because they give us exactly that, entertainment. But yeah, it's what expense, you know. I honestly feel like even this season should have never been short, you know. Maybe he should have been focusing on nursing himself back to health and all that, because he does look weak, and I just hope and pray that he get better. And you know guys, I feel like as a country now it's up to us to support him with ngalendaba yakhe ka number 5, because yay abafazi bakhe bamthethisile bamthethisa wazwakhala naye etafuleni. Ngithi kodwa indoda ekhaliswa ukuthi nje ufuna iskate. iskate uyasifuna wavele nje wadedela inyembezi, but you can tell ukuthi uMthombeni by nature has a very very emotional man, and I love the fact that he's not afraid to express the fact that he's emotional. Anyway, guys, this definitely does bring us to the end of the review. If you do love and enjoy our reviews, we'll give this video a huge thumbs up, and I will see you on the next one when, of course, I'm bringing you more reviews. Till then, please do stay blessed, and I love you.